welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss about list, tuples, and dictionary. Before watching this video, please watch the literals in Python in my channel. I will provide the link in the description box. Please do watch it and come back here. At first, lists. Lists are the most versatile data type of Python language. Lists are mutable, which means once declared, we can change the values into lists. Let us say I have a list which contains numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I will print list, then the list was 1, 2, 3, 4. In Python, we can perform indexing on the list. So indexing will start from 0 till the n-1, where n is the length of the list. So this element 1 will hold a position of 0, index 0, and element 2 will hold a position of index 1, and element 3, 2, element 4, index 3. And if I want to see list of 0, that will give me 1, and list of 3, it was 4. And if I want to do any modifications on the list, I can do also. Let us say I want to change the index 1 element to some 5. And I will print list now. So here element at the index 1, that was 2, is changed to element 5. So that's why lists are mutable, which means changeable. Once declared, we can change the values into list. A list consists of items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. If you see, we declared the list within the square braces. And for C, C++ or Java programs, lists are similar to arrays. So in C and C++, in Java, we have C that lists are similar to arrays only. The only difference is an array and list is that while array contains values of same data type, a list can have values belonging to different data types. So in C, C++, we declare an array with a data type. So if the array contains integer data types, we will declare it as integer array. If the array contains string elements, then we will declare the array as string array. But in this list, we can declare all the data types together. Let's say list is equal to 1, 2, and I will do A and some character CB and 1.23 and all, and a true, a boolean. And let's print this list. So if you see in this list, we not only declared the integers, but also some float, some boolean, and also strings and characters. So next, the values stored in a list are accessed using indexes. So this was an index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. So let us say I want to do list of 5. That was true. Okay. And the index of the first element is 0 and that of the last element is n-1, where n is the total number of elements in the list. Like strings, we can also use the slice, concatenation, and repetition operation on list. I have already explained the slice operation, concatenation, and repetition operation in my previous videos. I will provide the link in the description box. Please do watch that also. So let us do some slicing. I want to retrieve the data from index 1 to index 4. 2 to 1.23. Then I will do, that was from index 1, starting index will be 1 till this 1.23, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will do 4 plus 1, that was 5. So if you observe, we got elements from index 1 to till index 4. So we do the same. We do list of A is to B plus 1. So where A is the starting index and B is the end index. And similarly, we can do concatenation also. Let us take a list 1. That was is equal to 1, 2, and some A. And list 2 is equal to 3, 4, 1.25, comma, so BCD. I will do list 1 plus list 2. It was concatenated list. The result was a concatenated list. 1, 2A and 3, 4, 1.25 BCD. So list 2 is concatenated to list 1. We can also do like this. list is equal to list1 plus list2. And if you print list, we got the same. We assigned the concatenated result into another variable called list, and we printed it, and that was the same result. And we can do repetition also. So let us take this list1, and I will do list1 into 3. So the list1 repeated 3 times. So this was the first iteration, and the second, and the third one. And next, a program to demonstrate operational list. So this is the list, and this was the list2. And if I print list, so this list is printed. And if I print list of 0, that was A. This statement will print character A. And this is the slicing operation, where I want the elements from index 1 to index 2 on the list. So this is 0 and 1 and 2 and 3. I want the elements from index 1 to 2. So it will print BC, 78. And I want the elements from index 2 to till the end of the list. So this will print 78 and 1.23, 1.23. And list into 2. This is a repetition operator. So this list will printed for 2 times. And next one is a concatenation operator. This 2 list will be concatenated and printed. And next data type is tuples. A tuple is similar to the list, as it also consists of numbers of values separated by commas and enclosed within parentheses. The main difference between list and tuple is that you can change the values in list but not in tuple. Let us consider an example. I have a tuple 1, 2, and some 3, and 4, and 5. So similar to the list, we can also perform indexing on the tuple. The element 1 will hold an index of 0, 2 will hold an index of 1, 3 will hold an index of 2, 4. The element 4 will hold an index of 3, and 5 will hold an index of 4. Let us access the elements of the tuple. Tuple of 0 will be 1. Tuple of 2 will be 3. And tuple of 4 will be 5. Now I want to change the element at index 3. Let us say tuple of 3 is equal to some 9. So if you see the error, it was a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. We can't assign value to the tuple. That's why tuple is immutable. Tuples are immutable, means once declared, we can't update the values into tuples. This means that while tuple is a read-only data type, the list is not. So if we declare a tuple, that will be used for the reading purpose, not for modification purpose. But whereas in list, we can do both read-only and also write-only. If you try to write tuple of 2 equal to 30, that is to edit the data in a tuple, then error will be generated. As you see, if I want to change, then an error message was displayed to me. And the tuple holds heterogeneous elements similar to the list. And next, a program to demonstrate operations on tuple. And if you see this tuple, it was holding some strings, characters, and also an integer and also float value. So it can hold heterogeneous elements. Let us take T1 is equal to some A plus hello and 56 comma 3.4. So this was the T1, and T2 will be 89 old. Now this print statement will print this tuple, and this print statement is used to access the elements in the tuple T. So this was T of 0, which means A. This will print the character A, and this will for slicing. This print statement is for slicing. Let us do that also. T1 of 1:3. So this command will extract the elements from index 1 to index 2 on the tuple T1. Let us do. So index 1 to index 2, that was hello and 56. And T1 of 2:2. So this will start from index 2 till the end of the tuple. And let us do T1 of some 2 also again. This command will extract the elements from index 0 till the end index -1. So it was 2. So it will extract the elements till 1. And we can do repetition operator. T1 into 2. So if you see, the tuple 1 is repeated 2 times. So let's try concatenation. T1 plus T2. So these two tuples are concatenated. So the result was a concatenated tuple. And let us take another tuple and assign T1 and T2 and print T3. So if you see, T3 is a tuple which contains tuples as the members. So T3 is a tuple which contains tuples as the member. They are T1 and T2. And in the similar way, we can also do it for the list also. Let us say I have a list 1, which is 1, 2. And the list 2, I have 3, 4. And I will do list is equal to list 1, list 2. Then which contains list. If it now the list will be 1, 2 and 3, 4. This list is a list which contains members as the list also. Okay. And next data type is dictionary. Python's dictionary stores data in key value pairs. The key values are usually strings and values can be of any data types. The key value pairs are enclosed within curly braces. Each key value pair is separated from the other using a colon. Let us declare a dictionary. D1 is equal to, so A will hold a value of 1 and B will hold a value of 2 and C will hold a value of 3. If you observe, the Python dictionary stores data in key value pairs. If you see, this is a pair 1 and this is a pair 2 and this is a pair 3. And this pair contains a key and a value. Here, the string A is a key and 1 is the value. And B is the string, 2 is the value. And the key values are usually strings. So this key are usually strings. And the values might be anything. It might be any data type. You can either take a float or a string and also a character and even Boolean also. The key value pairs are enclosed with curly braces. If you see, all these key value pairs are enclosed within curly braces. Each key value pair is separated from other using a colon. So the key value pairs are separated with a colon. This symbol is colon. And to access any value in the dictionary, you just need to specify its key in a square braces. Okay, let's print D1 first. And if I want to access any key, I will do D1 of A. Let us see, the value was 1. So that is what mentioned. To access any value in the dictionary, you just need to specify its key. Here, A is a key. And I specified this in a square braces. And if I do D1 of some C, I will get 3. Basically, dictionary are used for fast retrieval of data. And let us see an example here. So this is a pair 1. And also this is a pair 2. So the item, price, these are keys. And the item value was a chocolate and the price value was 100. And if I print dict of item, it will print chocolate. And if I print dict of price, it will print 100. Let us consider another dictionary, D2. Let us say the key is A, the value is 1, and the key is some C, and the value is 1.23. F, the value is true. G, the value is ABCD. Okay, ABCS. So here the keys are strings only, but the values are heterogeneous elements. Let us access them also. D2 of A will be 1 and D2 of C will be 1.23. D2 of F will be true and D2 of Z will be ABCS. And let us say I want to know D2 of B. So this will be an error. That was key error because there is no key with B, right? So this is about dictionary, tuples, and lists. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!